JLPT and 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 21. Ichibang, plain form, to omoimasu, meaning I think that. The ideas or information expressed with omoimasu are indicated by the particle to when expressing conjecture. Example, Ashita amega furo to omoimasu. I think it will rain tomorrow. Example 2. Teresa-chan wa mo neta to omoimasu. I think Teresa has already gone to bed. When the content of conjuncture is negative in nature, make the sentence before to negative. Example 3. Mira-san wa kono news o shitemasu ka? Does Mr. Miller know this news? Iie, tabon shiranai to omoimasu. No, I don't think he does. When expressing one's opinion. Example 4. Nihon wa bukka ga takai to omoimasu. I think that prices are high in Japan. The expression ni tsuite do omoimasu ka is used to ask someone's opinion on something by using omoimasu. It is not necessary after do. Example 5. Atarashi kuku ni tsuite do omoimasu ka? What do you think of the new airport? Kere desu ga, chutto kutsu ga fubin da to omoimasu. I think that it is clean, but to access to it, it's not easy. Agreement or disagreement with other people's opinions. Example 6. Fakusu wa benri desu ne. Fax machines are convenient, aren't they? Watashi mo so omoimasu. I think so too. Watashi wa so wa omoimasen. 2番, plain form to imasu, meaning say. The content expressed with imasu is indicated by the particle to. When quoting directly, example 7. Nero mae ni oyasumi nasai to iimasu. We say good night before going to bed. Example 8. Mira-san wa raisho Tokyo e shuchou shimasu to iimashita. Mr. Miller said, I will go to Tokyo on a business trip next week. Indirect quoting. When quoting indirectly what someone says or said, the plain form is used before to. The tense of the quoted sentence is not affected by the tense of the main sentence. Example, Mira-san wa raishu Tokyo e shuchou tsuru to iimashita. Mr. Miller said that he would go to Tokyo on a business trip next week. Dashu, confirming agreement. When the speaker expects that the listener has some knowledge on the topic being discussed and that the listener will agree with the speaker's view, desho is said with a rising intonation to confirm the listener's agreement. Examples, Ashita pati ni iko desho. You're going to the party tomorrow, aren't you? Ikimasu. Yes, I am. Hokkaido wa samukatta desho. It was cold in Hokkaido, wasn't it? Iie, sonna ni samuku nakatta desu. No, it wasn't that cold. Yobang. Noun place de noun to ga arimasu. Events taking place. When noun one expresses such events as a party, concert, festival, incident, disaster, and so on, arimasu means to take place or to be held. Example, Tokyo de Nihon to Borajero no Sakka no Shiai ga arimasu. A football game between Japan and Brazil will be held in Tokyo. Gobang. Noun occasion de actions taking place on certain occasions. When someone action takes place on a certain occasion, that occasion is followed by de. Example, kay gide nani ka ikinoimashita ka? Did you give your opinion at the meeting? Rukubang. Noun demo verb giving examples with demo. Demo is used to give an example out of things of the same kind. Drinks in the case of 14, when one encourages or advises someone to do something or when one makes a suggestion. For example, Chuto biro di mo nomimasin ka? Should we drink beer or something? Nanabang. Verb na form na ito omitting. Ikemasin. This expression is made by omitting ikemasin from verb na form. Naito ikemasin. Verb na form naito ikemasin is similar to verb na form nakireba narimasen, which you learn in lesson 17. For example, mo kaya ira na ito, I have to go home now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!